In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a template in Wix, perfect for speeding up your website build processes. Let's dive right in. First, let's open Wix Editor or Wix Studio in your Chrome browser. Chrome is typically recommended because it offers reliable support for all of Wix's features, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience as you design. Once you've launched the editor, you'll find yourself in the main workspace where all the creative magic happens. Here, you can craft the look and feel of your website just the way you've imagined. Now, this is where you can really let your creative juices flow. You'll want to design your website layout, adjust styles, and incorporate elements that fit your desired theme or aesthetic. Think about your website's overall color scheme, the fonts that will best capture your brand's voice, and the types of content you'll want to feature prominently on each page. Let your style and vision lead the way, ensuring the site reflects your client's brand identity perfectly. Once you have confidently designed your website, it's a great idea to save your creation. If you're working on Wix Editor or Studio, look for the option to save your site as a template if it's available to you. If saving as a template is not an option, fear not. Simply duplicate your site. Duplicating serves a similar purpose, allowing you to recreate or modify the website later without starting from scratch. Having a template prepared is a massive time saver, especially when building multiple sites with a consistent structure or theme. Another tip for maintaining efficiency and organization is to export your site design assets if needed. This means downloading images, logos, or any design elements that make up your site, which can come in handy for backups or even for creating cohesive marketing materials outside of your website. It's all about keeping everything accessible and ready for anything you might need in the future. Now, with your custom template or duplicated site in hand, you're set up for streamlined success. You can use this as a blueprint to create new sites quickly, making slight adjustments where necessary to fit each project's unique needs. Updating content or making some tweaks here and there is typically all it takes to spin up a fresh new website, leveraging the hard work you've already put into the design. That concludes our walkthrough today. With these steps, you'll have set up a functional and flexible method for creating and managing your website templates in Wix. Whether you're a busy freelancer, an agency, or just someone who loves making websites faster and more efficiently, these tips are sure to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and get ready to streamline your web design process with ease.